Hey guys, Ringly Dingly here.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another awesome video. Today we will be trying some snacks that our mother has brought us and thinks are a little bit strange.
Strange? What, Doctor Strange?
Doctor Strange. Alright, which one do you want to do first?
Meat pie.
Alright, so we've got the first packet is special edition CC's meat pie flavor. You can't just say no. Alright, rating the sniff test. It just smells like corn chips. Just like normal
like
corn
not
chips.
Meat pie.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like meat pie at all. Here you go. It's a bit like
It's just a corn chip. Kinda tastes like a meat pie.
It kind of tastes like just normal CC's. Like it has
They
that
added too much cheese.
like it tastes like barbecue like the first couple bites, but then it starts to taste like cheese.
Yeah. See?
Well,
I mean, it's alright.
out of 10,
5.
I give it probably like a 4.5.
It's not good or bad.
It's like there. Alright.
Yeah, it's there.
It's just there. Alright.
You're gonna explain why your boyfriend isn't here to do the video, but why I am.
Oh yeah. If you guys are wondering why Ari is here instead of Lewis, is for personal reasons. Okay. Speaking of CC's, another one, special edition, sausage roll and sauce.
So we have meat pie
Without sauce. Meat pie without sauce.
That's why it's not good. It's without sauce.
It's without sauce. Alright. Sniff test. I don't really know how to explain the smell. Like at all.
It has like a slight vinegar scent.
Yeah. Alright.
It looks like exactly the same as the other one.
Yeah.
But it actually tastes different.
It does.
It's kind of like tomato sauce chips.
Like it doesn't.
Well, you're going back to something.
I'm hungry.
They're really nice. I'd say they're like pretty good.
They're better than the meat pie one.
Yeah. Way better.
What's the health rating?
1.5.
Oh, meat pie is better.
Alright, out of 10, what do you give it?
Better than the meat pie, so like a 6.5.
Yeah. Alright. Pink or blue? Which one?
Purple.
Alright, these other ones are,
Lewis.
Gorilla corn barbecue flavor. Made in China.
从台湾再有，上次有冰淇淋，
And there's like a little.
鸡不汤后。
Alright. Sniff test. They kind of smell like chicken twisties. And they look like twisties.
I sniffed it and my eyes stain.
Interesting. What flavour are these ones?
Barbecue. Alright. They look like twisties.
China's version of Twisty.
I don't know how
Chicken
to.
twisty. Touch my feet.
I didn't mean to. They kind of do taste like chicken twisties, but then they taste like something else.
Chicken
Just a little
twisties
bit.
with popcorn.
Yes. What do you give it? I probably give it. I might give it like a 5. Alright. Next one. is still Grilla corn, but hot and spicy flavor.
This will be fun. Can you ever?
Shut up. Yeah. Let's. Alright, sniff test.
If your home asked you to make it stronger,
It smells like that one.
Yeah.
But stronger.
would you listen? Prepare and protect your home today. Serve Suncorp home resilience.
They're smaller.
Mia's Rosemont Charlie, very switched on. ABC Maths has really helped her level up her learning.
There's
Spelled it
lots
out.
of things you can learn.
It's not that much spice. It's like a little tingle,
She was like, Mum, I wish we had this.
but not that much.
I'm going to teach her about it.
My teacher said we're learning so much.
Mia sometimes asks me to play.
Pick that one.
Pick that one.
Alright.
Kids with
Oh,
with mouth.
I mean, they're edible.
Yeah.
I had one that tastes like seaweed.
I'd probably give it maybe a 4.5.
Because you like spice.
Yeah.
I don't even know I can eat. It's pretty good.
Alright. That's the snacks done, and I picked these ones out because why not? We've got, drum roll please, Feastables!
What
We
flavors
got
do we have?
Milk Crunch, and Peanut Butter Crunch. Why does everything have to end in crunch? Alright, which one do
'Cause
you
it's
wanna
crunch.
which one do you wanna try first?
This one.
Alright, we will be trying the Milk Crunch one first.
This is our first time having them.
Yes. Oh, okay. Look at that. I mean, it looks nice, like how they blocked it and everything.
Okay.
Smells like just normal milk chocolate.
Crunchy.
Is it worth the hype?
It just tastes like milk chocolate, just with like a bit of crunch to it.
It kind of tastes like pods.
This is not that bad. Because it just tastes like normal milk chocolate, but
I like crunch. I'm not
Okay.
eating this one.
alright, milk crunch out of 10.
Milk crunch out of 10, yeah.
I give it
I give that like a 7. Ava,
probably like
you chose the broken one.
No, I broke that. Sorry.
Why? You ruined it.
Accident.
Okay, now we have the peanut
crunch.
butter. You stole my line.
Sorry, do you want to say it?
He stole it from me.
Peanut butter crunch time. Oh, it's bumpy.
It broke. Yeah, but why would you break it?
My bad.
Not that.
He gave me the smaller bit. Alright. Thank you. Yeah,
Well, it's the same, but with more crunch.
bumpy.
Yeah.
Peanut butter. It's actually not that bad.
I love soy peanut. Oh, peanut butter, so this is amazing.
I like this one. They're really nice.
9.5. Take away 0.5% because it's from Mr. Beast.
No hate on Mr. Beast though, but
He's not known for being the best guy. Oh, wash my hands.
I'd probably give that a 9. Ugh. It's really nice. Oh, Mother would like us to try these new chippies, barbecue flavored. As you can see, Mother really likes them.
As you can see, you are what
Smells
we
really
call
nice.
an adopted little kid. Smells like not barbecue, but barbecue. I dropped it on my nuts.
I like the texture because they're nice and crunchy and light.
Oh, I didn't know there was spice to it. it tingles.
It doesn't.
Yeah, spice afterwards, aftertaste.
That's my spice.
Alright, okay. If all goes well, probably tonight, maybe. If all goes well tonight, after this video has been edited and uploaded, and depending if the other people that are in this house go out tonight, we might be able to make a 3 a.m. video. Since you guys have been asking, no one's been asking, but it has been a request among this guy's friends.
Yeah, 3 a.m. potion Among Us video.
Alright,
Stay tuned for the next Among Us video.
comment down below Among Us if you guys want us to do an Among Us 3 a.m. potion video tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. My throat is tingling.